देखो, जो लोग जो है वो इस कर्मयोगी पर जो है वो सवाल कर रहे हैं, उनको खुद जवाब देना चाहिए कि वो जो है जब फुल टाइम उनका पर्यटन होता है और पार्ट टाइम वो पॉलिटिक्स करते हैं, और वो भी जो है पर्यटन के देश में नहीं होता, विदेशों में दिखाई पड़ता है। अभी भी देख लीजिएगा आप कहाँ जाएंगे, तो एक कर्मयोगी को इस कुनबे के भोगी जो है वो न परास्त कर पाएंगे, न उनको जो है कमजोर कर पाएंगे।
So the politics around it continues. We're keeping a track of that. But for the moment, let's shift our focus now. As Odisha prepares to go to polls on June 1st, the battle for the state is heating up. The BJP has now called out the Odisha Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik's aide VK Pandian after a video went viral, where Pandian is seen grabbing Naveen Patnaik's trembling hands, trying to hide it from public view. The BJP has now equated the move to literally grabbing power from the BJD chief's hand.
उड़ीसा का सारे को लोगों का जो अहंकार है, ये मुख्यमंत्री का साथ जोड़ा रहते हैं। अगर मुख्यमंत्री का हाथ कोई एक रिटायर्ड अधिकारी ऐसे कब्जा कर सकते हैं, फिर दाहिने ले जाओ, बायां ले जाओ, ये जो उन्होंने 2-3 बार वीडियो में किया, आप लोगों ने वीडियो में देखा, ये बहुत दुख की बात है। ये कोई नवीन बाबू इसको क्लैरिफाई दे, इससे कोई मतलब नहीं होते हैं। नवीन बाबू भूल चुका है कि वो उड़ीसा का मुख्यमंत्री है, वो पंडियान का मुख्यमंत्री नहीं है।
Naveen Patnaik has dismissed the charge by the BJP, saying the Saffron Party is using a non-issue for political gains.
I believe the BJP, which is known to make non-issues into issues, are discussing my hands. This will certainly not work.
So this was a clarification that came in from the Odisha Chief Minister. This was a video on the left-hand side of your screens that you're seeing, which caused a lot of discussions taking place on social media off of it as well. It shows the Odisha Chief Minister speaking while VK Pandian can be seen taking his hand and moving it away from the public glare. My colleague Sabya Sachi is joining us on the broadcast. Sabya Sachi, this is a video that had a lot of political tongues wagging with several questions being raised. The BJP also equating it with actual power grab, saying that VK Pandian is somebody who is trying to grab power. The video that has garnered a lot of attention across the country.
Well, absolutely. This particular video has garnered a lot of attention from across the country, not only from the state of Odisha. See, in this video, it could be seen that while giving a speech, Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik's hand was trembling at that particular time. VK Pandian took his hand and put behind the table. So this particular move has drawn criticism from the BJP. The BJP says that at this particular point, VK Pandian is manhandling Naveen Patnaik and is controlling Naveen Patnaik. Now the BJP also says that this tells a very different story right now, that the power is shifting towards VK Pandian, who's controlling Mr. Naveen Patnaik, and the power is shifting towards him. See, the BJP has been hinting that Naveen Patnaik is not in a good shape of health, and all the decision making and the calls have been taken by VK Pandian himself. Now we had seen that the top leadership from the BJP who are in the state, be it Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Union Home Minister Amit Shah, or Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma, all of them have took cognizance of this particular video that went viral and have attacked the BJP government. Now the BJP says that the only way out is to remove the BJP government from power in the state of Odisha, as they have failed to deliver on the promises that they have made. Now the BJP government, Naveen Patnaik himself, has retaliated, stating that the BJP has the habit of making a non-issue into a major issue. Now the BJP says that this is not an issue that needs to be so much talked about. It's a normal issue, but the BJP is using it for their political gains.
Absolutely. And after the incident came to light, after the video came to light, in fact, the Prime Minister has also spoken about it. He has also spoken about the sudden deterioration in Naveen Patnaik's health, saying that when the BJP comes to power, a special committee would be formed to probe into what led to this. Listen in.
अरसे तक नवीन बाबू के करीबी रहे लोगों का मानना है कि उनकी तबीयत बिगड़ने के पीछे कोई साजिश भी हो सकती है। सवाल ये कि नवीन बाबू की तबीयत खराब होने के पीछे क्या कोई षड्यंत्र है क्या? ये उड़ीसा के लोगों को जानने का अधिकार है। कहीं इसमें उस लॉबी का तो हाथ नहीं है ना, जो नवीन बाबू के नाम पर पर्दे के पीछे उड़ीसा में सत्ता भोग रहे हैं। इस रहस्य से पर्दा उठना जरूरी